If you've ever wanted to remove photos from an album in OneDrive without deleting the actual file, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. This is a really useful trick if your album is getting cluttered, if you added the wrong photo, or if you simply want to clean up your album layout while keeping your photos safely stored in OneDrive. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your web browser. You can go directly to OneDrive and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your OneDrive home screen, where all of your files, folders, and photo tools are available. Now look at the left sidebar and click on Photos. This section is where OneDrive organizes your images and albums, so it's the best place to manage photo collections. After that, open the album that contains the photo you want to remove. If you have several albums, take your time and make sure you choose the correct one, because the change will only apply to the album you're editing. Once the album opens, find the photo you want to take out. Click on it to select it. After the photo is selected, look at the top of the page for the Remove from Album option. This is the main command you need. Click Remove from Album, and if OneDrive shows you a confirmation message, go ahead and confirm the action. If you don't see the button right away, don't worry. In some cases, you may need to click the three dots menu, which is the More Options button, and then choose Remove from Album from the drop-down list. This is just another way OneDrive gives you access to the same feature. Once you confirm, OneDrive will remove the photo from that album only. The important thing to remember is that this does not delete the photo from your Microsoft account. The image will still remain safely stored in your OneDrive files and photos library. So if you were worried about losing the original file, you can relax. You're only removing it from the album view, not permanently deleting it. This is especially helpful if you use albums to organize travel photos, family pictures, work images, or shared collections. Instead of deleting and re-uploading files, you can simply clean up the album and keep your storage organized. And that's it. You've now removed a photo from an album in OneDrive. It's a quick process once you know where to click, and it gives you much better control over how your photo albums look. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.